You have no libido, you have nothing left.
If someone attacks me, I would tear his head off, but...
We know that the tank still works even for some time.
But otherwise...
Yes, that's good. I'm really happy for you that you finally found your calling in life. That's brilliant.
Yeah.
So, in your opinion, do you think Rivotril is the God, the blessed drug, the same way?
Just like Sai Baba. It's your Sai Baba.
Yeah, the same way marijuana is for Jamaican people or Ethiopian, huh?
No, marijuana is number one always, but it gets me fat, so I can't.
Okay.
That was a rather earthly, down-to-earth explanation.
Which you would not expect from an alien. That would be fucking Chinese.
So Chinese are aliens and Jews are not.
Let me tell you something. I got one cute little girl. She's just 153
years old. Years old.
And she's like 17, I don't know. And we have a very nice conversation. Facebook shit.
Oh, nice.
But why is it, for instance, we never got to come down and check out that toilet lady?
Yeah, 1976.
1976.
That likes to go into
We were
mail.
never allowed to come down and see your workplace, and
Yeah.
you kept bragging about
The
this
blonde.
or that.
The blonde.
The one who always wanted to fuck in the toilet.
Плаво
Came down to the
76
men's
koja voli da
room
ulazi u
that,
RTS u muški WC.
Yeah.
For some reason, we were both interested in meeting up with her.
But she's a little bit, her look is a little bit
Well, we saw her.
masculine.